So today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how I transformed this print pattern that I drew by hand to this transparent vector graphic that I made using Illustrator. So I've opened up my scanned hand-drawn illustration in Illustrator, and what I've done is, because my illustration is so easy to copy, I'm using the rectangular tool and I've dragged it down to elongate the lines. So it's just a case of copying this original shape, and then I held down Shift to select them all, and I'm basically just copying in bulk on top of each of the lines. Now I'm going to use my pen tool to trace over the squiggly lines, and this will be on a new layer. And to do this, I'm clicking to draw a straight line, but then holding down my mouse to create the curves. I've got a new layer for the squiggly lines, just in case I want to go back and edit just the squiggly lines instead of the squares as well. Where you can play with different layers and keep going back to your original source file to create new prints. So now that my print is done, I'm just going to color it in. I selected my shape and I'm just going to properties and I'm filling in the main color. Jumping forward just a little bit, I'll show you how I coloured in the rectangle square pieces. So I'm going to take my eyedropper tool and I select the colour from the illustration. So I'm clicking on the illustration layer, selecting the colour of the coloured square below, and that saves in my colour swatches panel. Then I select the shape and then I click on the colour I want in the properties bar. So now that that's done, this is what it looks like. So I've just hidden the illustration layer, and then I've hidden the squiggle layer, and this is what it looks like all together. So now I'm going to select all. I'm going to go to File, Export, Export As, and then in my format I'm going to choose PNG because that ensures that I'll have a transparent background. Name it. And here is the final PNG vector graphic, and if this is uploaded onto a website, it would basically have the transparent background, so all you get is the filled in pieces. Thanks for watching, bye.